Hi, I'm Melina and welcome to Expert Village. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful necklace out of polymer clay. The next step is to soften your clay. As soft as the clay is, it's still not workable right out of the bag. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take your clay and you want to really get it soft. Just by rolling it around, smushing it, making it workable. My personal brand that I like to use is Sculpty 2. I find it very soft, very workable, friendly on the fingers. You don't end up with achy hands. And after just a few quick rolls around like this, you'll find that it's already soft and ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and soften all of our clay. Before I continue rolling out my clay, I'm going to go ahead and put a piece of parchment paper or wax paper underneath so that I don't end up with a table covered in clay. If you have a table where you can tape something to, I suggest it, because if not, every time you roll your clay around, the paper is going to lift up. So I'm just going to quickly tape the paper to the table. That way I can work comfortably.